Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. I'm down in Florida visiting the boys, so I thought I would cook them up some lunch. I'm making them some chopped turkey and cheese bacon melts. These are so delicious, so quick and easy. Your family is going to love these ones just as much as they do. Let me show you how. So I'm down in Florida at CJ's hanging out with the guys, and one thing I know that they all love is a quick, easy sandwich off of the griddle. So let's start off by throwing down our bacon and letting this cook to render out some fat. In the meantime, we'll jump over to our sauce. I'm gonna add some Dukes Mayo to a small mixing bowl, adding some of our Mazzetta roasted red pepper strips, chopping these up just a little bit smaller, and then giving them a mix. And it's as simple as that. That's our spread that we're gonna smear onto this. But first, we've got to get all of our other toppings sliced up. We've got some tomatoes we're going to slice up along with some avocado. Let's check back on our bacon, give it a flip. This is cooking hot and fast, so we're going to slide this aside, sealing some of that bacon grease that we're going to drop down our deli honey turkey into. Using our Blackstone scraper, we're going to chop this up. This is my favorite part about this sandwich. Any kind of deli sandwich that you want to make, just use your scraper, chop it up, kind of like a cheesesteak. Then I'll divide this into 3 portions, topping it off with some cheddar cheese and some baby Swiss cheese that I also got sliced at the deli. This is going to melt down fast, so we'll top it off with 2 strips of bacon per sandwich. Get our ciabatta buns onto the Blackstone, right in that bacon grease to toast up just slightly, and then we'll pull these off and assemble them, giving the bottom bun a smear of our roasted red pepper mayo, then piling it high with our cheesy turkey bacon, and then finish it with avocado slices, extra for me, some tomato slices, and of course tomatoes love their salt and pepper. Finish our top buns with an extra smear of our roasted red pepper mayo, and that's it. These are ready to go, ready for the boys to enjoy. They couldn't be any simpler or any easier. You guys are gonna love these at home. So when you make them, be sure to post a picture so that we can share your recreations all over our social media. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.